Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Where can I buy a replacement TV screen? There are aftermarket replacement screens for LCD, LED, and plasma. They are usually not available next day. Most of these aftermarket replacement screens are available on websites like Alibaba, AliExpress, ShopJimmy, and eBay, so it will take a while to receive them. 24 September 2015.
Let's help you make your mark.
TV screen replacement cost. TV screen replacement costs at least $400 and often much more. The screen is the most expensive part of a TV. So usually, the cost of replacing it is higher than just buying a new unit. Most professional repair companies do not offer screen or panel replacement as a service. 24 February 2021.
Make your mark, take our lead.
It may cost $100 or more to repair a cracked LCD TV screen. It is possible to replace TV screens, but it is a major repair. It usually means replacing the entire display panel. The cost of a replacement screen is almost as high, or higher than the cost of a new TV.
Make your mark, take our lead.
On the average flat screen TV, repair of a cracked screen is one of the highest cost repairs. Usually, on all but the biggest screens, it is more than the cost of a replacement TV. The screen of a larger TV costs more to replace, but the TVs themselves are higher priced as well, so it may still work to your advantage. 15 November 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Repairing a TV costs about $210. Costs typically range from $60 to $350 for LCD, LED, plasma, and 4K TVs. Common problems include screen and bulb replacement, backlight repair, HDMI port repair, or motherboard replacement.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.